Welcome to the Bainbridge Community Foundation Evaluator tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with the Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing evaluators how to use our site to evaluate applications they've been assigned. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into our site. In order to log into our site for the first time, you need to be issued a username and password. The owner or administrator of the Bainbridge Community Foundation can issue that username and password to you and send it via email. When you log in, you're going to see some links on the dashboard. In this case, there are 67 applications under review, and I've been assigned to evaluate 4 of them. There's Review Evaluations All, and then Start Evaluation Step by Step. The All shows you the list of all the applications you need to evaluate, lets you know your evaluation status if not completed. You can go in any order and click on any application number you want, go in and evaluate it, or you can use the step by step. This drops you into the first application you need to evaluate, in this case application 29103, and at the bottom after I'm done evaluating there's a next button I can select. So before I evaluate the application I need to read it. The application pages are over on the left hand side. The first page that the applicant had to read was the introduction page. Then they filled out organization information. Then there's program information, questions and answers. And then there was a documents upload. There's organization documents and then grant specific documents. So to access a document, all you need to do is click on the document name and it'll open up. So at any time, no matter what page you're on and you're ready to evaluate it, go over to your evaluations and click on My Evaluation 1. So let's look at the evaluation matrix. At the top there's general notes. You can type general notes to share about your evaluation. Each question also has question notes. So if you'd like to talk about this specific question and how you scored it, you would put it there. Some of the boxes are scores, and here's the score range. So for example, I could put a 3 in there. And then there's some questions, and I'm not going to go through them all in the interest of time, but there are questions that are yes and no answers, and then there's questions where they want text. So in this question, program funding diversity, is this grant request equal to or less than 2,500? You can do yes or no here. And then, as I mentioned, there's some questions which are asking for your answer, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. So for example, number 24, recommended funding amount. What is your largest recommended funding amount? And you would answer it here. As I mentioned, every question needs to be answered in order for our system to tag it as complete. So if you filled out 23 of the 24 and save this, it still would not be tagged as complete. So here's where you can move right to the next application, or you could click Save and go back to the dashboard. I'm going to click Cancel and go back to the dashboard. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.